Down there in the corner?
No, they've all gone across to the back straight. They're leading to turn what was normally be 2, but it's actually turn 3 at the moment. I think we might have a bit of a fire going under that thing. She was starting to smoke a little bit heavily.
Yeah, I thought he might have had a tyre running. He had a couple of contacts, but
so clearly that smoke turned into flame somewhere and somebody picked it up.
Yep. And of course, under the rules that they were talking about at teams camps last week, if they engage a fire extinguisher, that's his race over. I wonder who's going to be the first fire marshal at teams camp to run out on the track and fire a fire extinguisher in a lead car.
Oh, that's complicated, but I see where you're going with that. You know, it's
kind of thing Jaden Ward did.
We were actually contemplating as we were coming home on the Sunday, maybe we should have 2 special t-shirts made with a team put together from SNZ.
Well,
so you get the Palmy Panthers and the Wanganui Warriors and SNZ. We can take fun at them.
Do you call them the FNP spoilers?
They do a fantastic job. We are allowed to poke fun at them though. At the end of the day, there was some pretty. It was a decision they had to make, and I would have hated to be put in the same position. And the crowd went a little bit hostile on them on that decision.
Well, Cody McKee after the drama last year with the Gears team.
I felt so sorry for Cody because he'd actually put last year behind him. He'd stamped that win on, and that was his vindication for everything he'd done last year. And to have it taken off him, that was just the poor bugger was just absolutely in tears. And then, they went and tried to interview them, and I wouldn't have gone anywhere near them actually. They were just absolutely heartbroken.
No, and look, a lot of people saying that they should have gone out and raced in that 5th and 6th race. I have absolutely no problem with them deciding to sit it out. They went in the headspace to race, and you go out in a situation like that, that's when someone's going to get hurt.
Oh, absolutely. And you've got to be. This is as much a mental game as it is a physical game. And if your brain's not there, then somebody's going to get seriously hurt. So hats off to them. I fully agree with what they did as well. But to be fair, we've been going out there actually. Come on, to the show, you've done some good. They had a ball.
They had a lot of fun playing with themselves, didn't they?
I want to quantify that. Return third was just arrived.
And here's the kicking flag for Nick Dingle.
It's going to be the 11 team. Jason Dunn, I think it's second.
Jason Dunn, second, yep. Going to Carolina.